Hello everyone. Welcome to English Speaking and Listening Club. Today we are going to practice a very practical topic, meeting a new friend in English. This lesson is useful because when we meet new people, we want to introduce ourselves, ask questions, and keep the conversation alive. Many learners feel shy in this situation, but do not worry. After today's lesson, you will have the words and phrases you need to make a new friend with confidence. Let us begin with the first step, the greeting. When you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "Hi, nice to meet you," or you can say, "Hello, how are you?" These are simple and polite. Listen and repeat after me. Hi, nice to meet you. Hello, how are you? Great. When you practice greetings many times, they become natural and automatic. The second step is to introduce yourself. You can say, "My name is," and then your name, or "I am," and then your name. For example, "My name is Alex," or "I am Maria." Try saying your own name now. Very good. If you want to sound more friendly, you can add, "It's nice to meet you." For example, "I am Maria. It's nice to meet you." The third step is to ask the other person's name. You can say, "What's your name?" Or more politely, "May I know your name?" After they answer, you can repeat their name. For example, "Oh, your name is John. Nice to meet you, John." Repeating the name helps you remember it and shows respect. After names, we usually talk about where we are from. You can say, "I am from India," or "I am from Brazil," or "I come from Japan." Then you can ask, "Where are you from?" Listen and repeat. "I am from India. Where are you from?" Excellent. The next step is to talk about what you do. You can say, "I am a student," or "I work as a teacher," or "I am an engineer." Then ask, "What do you do?" This is a very common question when meeting new friends. Try answering for yourself now. Another good topic is hobbies and interests. You can say, "In my free time, I like to read," or "I enjoy playing football," or "I love listening to music." Then you can ask, "What about you? What do you like to do in your free time?" These questions help the conversation continue. Let us practice a short dialogue together. Repeat after me. A. Hi, nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. A. My name is Anna. What is your name? B. My name is David. A. Where are you from, David? B. I am from Canada. And you? A. I am from Mexico. What do you do? B. I am a student. What about you? A. I work as a nurse. B. That is interesting. What do you like to do in your free time? A. I enjoy reading books. And you? B. I love playing football. Great. This is a simple example, but it shows you how to meet a new friend step by step. Now let us practice some useful phrases that make you sound friendly. That's interesting. Really? Wow, me too. I would love to know more about that. These small phrases keep the conversation alive. Repeat after me. That's interesting. Really? Wow, me too. Excellent. When you meet a new friend, it is also good to share something small about your life. For example, "I have one brother and one sister," or "I live with my family," or "I enjoy cooking." These details make the conversation warmer and more personal. Sometimes you may feel nervous and not know what to say. In that moment, you can use simple fillers. Say, "Let me think," or "That's a good question," or "Well, actually." These phrases give you time to prepare your answer and help you sound natural. Let me tell you a short story. Last year, I went to a language event. I met a person from another country. At first, I was shy, but I started with a smile and said, "Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Alex," he answered. "Nice to meet you too. I am Peter." Then I asked, "Where are you from?" He said, "I am from Germany." I said, "Wow, that's interesting. I am from India." Then we talked about work and hobbies. By the end of the conversation, we became friends and we still talk online today. You see, one simple introduction can create a long friendship. Now, it is your turn. I will ask you some questions. Answer out loud in English. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? Excellent. Even if your answers are short, you are building fluency. Let us expand. Instead of saying, "I like music," you can say, "I like listening to music because it makes me feel relaxed." Instead of saying, "I play football," you can say, "I play football every weekend with my friends at the park." Adding reasons and details makes your English more interesting. Another tip is to practice role play. Imagine you are meeting a new friend in a cafe at work or in school. Speak both sides of the conversation. For example, "Hi, is this seat free?" "Yes, it is. Please sit. Thank you. My name is Maria." "What is your name?" "My name is James. Nice to meet you." Play this role play many times, and you will feel ready in real life. Before we finish, let us review the steps for meeting a new friend. Step 1. Greet politely. Step 2. Introduce yourself. Step 3. Ask their name and repeat it. Step 4. Talk about where you are from. Step 5. Share what you do. Step 6. Ask about hobbies and interests. Step 7. Use friendly phrases and small details. Step 8. Keep the conversation alive with simple questions and fillers. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect. Fluency is about keeping the conversation alive. When you meet a new friend, do not worry about grammar mistakes. Focus on being friendly, asking questions, and sharing something about yourself. That is how real friendships begin. Thank you for watching today's lesson. Practice these sentences every day, and you will feel more confident when meeting new people. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to English Speaking and Listening Club for more practice. I will see you in the next lesson.